Yes, hi. Here is Chef Lumbasiantro. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe up. Here I have mahamri. It's ready to be fried up. Here I have kaimati. It's ready. I'm just waiting it to form. Here I have chicken samosa. So already mixed up. I do mix up with chicken itself, boil it, little bit of oil, garlic is a chopped powder. You can use even chopped one. Okay, we mix up with soy sauce, curry powder, chira powder, and a little bit of lemon juice. Here I have mutton samosa. I do mix up with the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, curry powder, soy sauce. Here it is, chira powder, lemon taste to come up with a good taste, little bit of tanya, we call it coriander. You can put up of salt, little of salt to come out with a good taste. You see? Okay, I can't put a lot of because I had already mixed it up. So what I'm going just to put in is soy sauce, just a little of it because it's more than dark soy sauce is always strong. So I had already put a lemon juice. You saw me putting a little of salt. So it's not supposed to be much, right? Guys, you can see the difference between mutton meat, which are going to make up of mutton samosa, and chicken.